Gold so far for the day traded with a modest bearish bias, failing to break past 1990 levels, and yet it has come to the support at 1983 and traded with a slight bearish bias. Now, what to expect with the US session and the PC data today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts. And if you're new to the channel, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is I share twice a day update on gold and the weekly review as well. Thus, press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Join my free Telegram channel or visit my platform www.forexwonder.com for live market updates. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. If you look at gold on the hourly charts, it has come to the support levels at 1983. Yes, this is the support level below which little bearishness can be expected. And specifically, if the price stays below 1982, we can expect that it might try to move towards 1978-80 zone. This is going to be a great support zone for the day. Now, what has happened in gold? If you look at, see, drop there, retracement to the highs 1990, it failed to break past and since then has traded bearish. But right now, if you look at it, it is still yielding higher lows on the hourly charts. Just wait for it to break below 1983-82, below which slight bearishness can be expected. Still, I will say that if you look at the hourly charts here, see these three drops here. If you just align these drops, you will find the support levels at 1978 and 80 is going to be the maximum support for the day. Achieving those levels, possibly we can see a reversal in gold, and below 78 is where 74, 75 levels will be seen. If it breaks below this, then you can say that price has turned bearish, as there is a probability, very strong probability for gold to recover from here. Now, if you look at the movement, if you draw a parallel from here, if you just connect the highs and draw a parallel, you will find gold has been trading in this channel here, achieving the highs, hitting the bottom, achieving the highs, hitting the bottom. Right now, it is trying to retrace from the median here. Thus, staying above 1990, that is the level beyond which I will look forward to 1994-95 as the first target. And beyond this, certainly this time it is going to go beyond 2000 levels here. So yes, above 1990, that is the level beyond which one can stay long in gold. At the same time, one must note that as long as 74, 75 levels are respected, possibility of a recovery will be very, very high. Stochastic at bottom, MACD again crossing over, trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see prices were divergent from the 20 period. We have seen it bouncing earlier from the 20 period moving average. Then again, now it is converged towards the 20 period moving average. I will expect it to take the support from the 20 period moving average and bounce back. There is a strong probability for this to happen. But at the same time, one must note that this is the first red candle on the 4-hour charts and there is a possibility of a subsequent candle here. So I will wait for it to the next candle and then probably it may try to achieve this zone at 50 period, which is right now staying at 78.80, which is definitely a great support. The stochastic looking down, MACD again trying to diverge and it trying to stay bearish, but it is trading with a very little divergence. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 3-hour. Now, if you notice the 3-hour chart, see here higher lows here, 83 definitely is a great support. And see, this is the first red candle. There is a possibility of a second subsequent red candle from here might take the prices towards 78.80, and in fact a further drop might take it till towards 74.75. So yes, this is a good opportunity for us to stay short if it stays below 1982-83 zone. Certainly little more bearishness, but as long as it respects 78.80, this is going to be critical. Below 78.80 zone is where little further bearishness, and 74.75 is going to be the decisive level for the day, below which certainly you can say it is going to stay bearish. A stochastic looking down, MACD is starting to diverge. Right now it is almost traded with the flat. Note it failed to diverge. Now it is trying to stay bearish. Let's see if it continues. RSI looking downwards, coming to 4. Now this is important on the 4-hour charts. Multiple candles getting resistant on the upside and failing to break beyond 1990 levels. Look at this, what has happened here. It tried to stay bullish, then a sharp bearish candle has appeared. It tried to stay bullish, failing to break below 1990. This is the first bearish candle, and now if it breaks below 1983-82 zone, we can expect second bearish candle. 80-70 zone is 78 zone is great support, below which 74-75, and if it breaks below 74, that is the point below which little more bearishness to be seen, and then prices might try to trade with more bearishness there. Now if you look at the charts here, see on the 4-hour charts, first of all, see this was the bearish move here, sharp bearish move, then the retracement, and it is trying to trade in this retracement zone below 74.75. Certainly you can say it is trying to come out of the channel and must stay bearish there. Stochastic near to top, MACD trying to diverge, staying bullish here. RSI looking down, suggestive of bearishness. Coming to the daily charts here, And before we move to the daily chart, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, this is the platform www.forexfunda.com. You can find the link in our channel and video description. You will find the community here. See, in the morning, I have updated my direction for the day for silver as well as for gold here. Yes, all the updates are mentioned, very clearly said that only above 1990 it is a opportunity to buy, while below 1983 we can initiate a sell, and the same levels are still maintained. So thus visit the forum www.forexfunda.com. We can initiate a discussion there. Yes, you will find much more, because this forum is created, this platform is created with the vision to provide everything under one single roof what a trader requires, be it the economic calendar with the market data across the globe, and this also includes the historic data, the current projection, and the live updates as well, while at the same time you can also have a look at the charts from of your favorite instrument. You can find stocks, funds, futures, forex, CFD, crypto, indices, bonds, economy, everything is available. You can create your own chart, you can do your own analysis here. And yes, these are live charts, and at the same time you can also book a consultation if you require any support from, or you require any guidance regarding any future prediction or with respect to your existing positions from market. You can book a call with me and we can discuss on your current positions or requirements. And yes, the mentorship and announcement is available. You will find my course details. These are available here. You can register here. You can book your seat by paying here itself. Thus visit the platform www.forex.com. Now coming to the daily charts of gold, see, one thing you should remember: last 2 days, higher lows, higher highs are seen. Prices are still staying in this bullish channel. I will wait for a breakout below this channel where one can expect that the prices are willing to break out, and then more bearishness is going to prevail there. Else what I will expect, I will still expect it to stay bullish, achieve the highs here and reverse from there, achieve the lows here and reverse from there. In fact, it can try to go closer towards 2000 levels. There is a probability to it. Thus do not consider gold as bearish as long as these levels here at 1974 and then 1970 are respected. As long as these levels are respected, possibility of a reversal will be very, very high. What we have seen yesterday, we can expect today again. So thus swings can be expected. But if you look at the divergence of the price from the moving average, the 20 period moving average is sitting far below at 1940, and then the 50 and 100 sitting at 1920. So these are far below levels, and this crossover here suggestive of bullishness. So yes, prices are still staying bullish. I will wait for it to break out below this zone in order to confirm the bearish bias, else chances of recovery will exist. Stochastic has dropped, trying to recover a bit. MACD is in green, trying to converge, but the candle size have flattened here. It is trying to diminish. It can reverse again with a stronger bullish momentum. RSI is staying open. Considering this, yes, a buying entry above 1990 can be taken, beyond which you can look forward to 1994-95 is the first target, and this time it is going to break beyond 2000 levels. Yes, we can stay long beyond 94-95 for more bullishness. Just a little caution at 98-97 zone should be taken, else possibility for it to break past 2000 is very, very high, staying above 1994-95. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 1983-82 zone. Yes, below which 78-80 first target, 74-75 the next, and then 70. Below 70 is where the bears will be taking over for 64 and 54 levels, and then the favorite levels 45-50 should get achieved. Anything and everything is possible. Yes, a bigger move cannot be denied, but I will be looking forward to a swing. I will expect it to achieve the lows and recover from there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Join my platform www.forexfunda.com for more live updates of the markets or my free Telegram channel. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the weekly reviews. Thank you.